Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini banana image, full guide. Open your image library, select the banana image, tap Enhance, choose a template, then export at your preferred size. I will walk you through crop, color correction, background removal, and AI styling in simple steps. Follow along on your device and pause when needed. By the end, you'll confidently prepare images for sharing or printing today. In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini banana image, full guide. First, crop to frame the banana and remove distractions with a clean composition. Next, tweak exposure, contrast, and white balance to restore natural color and vibrance. Then use background removal or a soft blur to emphasize the subject, and apply subtle AI styles for consistency. Save variants so you can compare and pick the best result. In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini banana image, full guide. If you're enjoying the guide, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow. It really helps. On another note, I recommend the Echo Dot smart speaker for pleasant background music while you edit. It makes long sessions nicer. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for watching, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini banana image, full guide. Use selective adjustments to refine highlights, shadows, and color on the banana for natural detail. Experiment with AI styling presets to create consistent looks across a set of images and tweak intensity to taste. Save multiple export sizes for social posts, website use, and print. Small changes add big polish, so compare versions before finalizing your choice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.